Hey, you're here. I didn't see you there at first, but I'm so glad that you came because today I have something awesome to show you. You see, I have this Samsung S23 Ultra phone, which I'm now recording this off of, and let me tell you, this phone has such an amazing camera. It's ridiculous, especially with the zoom capabilities, which I've noticed here on YouTube. A lot of people want to see what this phone can do when it comes to zoom. I went to a place called Douglas Dam. There's an overlook there. It's way up above the lake. I can see the dam, I can see the lake, I can see the boats, I can see the people fishing, I can see the campground. Just so many things in this video that I'm going to show you just what we can see from a super far distance. I'm going to tell you, it might just blow your mind. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to like, and let's get right into these zoom shots and see just how powerful this S23 Ultra's camera really is. You ready? Here we go.